The MEMEFI airdrop have come to an end and it is now trading on major exchanges. But the question is, how much do you make from this very airdrop? So in this video, I'll be talking about how much I make from this very airdrop, coin market cap, and price prediction, the overall review of the MEMEFI airdrop. All of this in this video. Pay attention and watch this video all the way to the very end. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. How much I make from the MEMEFI airdrop, and for you to see that, click on this very airdrop. So on this airdrop page, you discover that I stake this amount. Okay, this was my initial allocation. 22,777 MEMEFI token was given to me, and then I have additional 1,357 token. Okay, this was due to the misallocation error. So this was given to me, that was later on after I have staked this amount. So you can see this plus this equal to what I have from the MEMEFI token. And if you do this addition, that is 1,357, okay, 1,357 plus 22777. This is now my total allocation, okay, that I get from the MEMEFI airdrop, 24,134. Now, I invested 250,000 naira. That is about $150 or thereabout, and that is what I can afford to lose, that I invested in this very airdrop by buying spin and also daily telegram ton transaction. So all of these amounts to this very token. Right now, the price of this token is sitting at 0.006. Okay, this is the price of the token right now as we speak, and that amount to $144. So it means that I did not even make up to what I spent. Okay, but as at that time, naira to dollar was very low, and also right now you can say if I invested 250,000 naira into this very project, and you multiply this dollar equivalent to what we have right now, then that should give you 252. Okay, I just make just 2,000 naira from this very airdrop after putting in 250k naira, to be very exact. This is the amount I put into this very airdrop. So I do say approximately $150. Okay, so this is how much I make from the MEMEFI airdrop. So you can simply say I make 2,000 naira from the MEMEFI airdrop, because I need to remove my 250 from what I already have right here. If I was to sell this token right now, I should make 2,393 naira from this very airdrop. So this is what I make from this very airdrop. So from what you can see right here, I stake this amount to get about 26,000 of this very token in return by 16th of December 2024. And I believe they gave me that token, and this will also increase my stake and also the value of this very token. So this is how much I make from the MEMEFI token in naira. So 2k is what I make after doing this airdrop for several months and weeks. So this is very important. Right now, how much did you make from this very token? This is very funny, guys. How much do you make from this very token? We have people making some little amount of money. Some people are making good amount as well. But comments below in the comment section of this video, how much do you make from the MEMEFI airdrop? If you come to coin market cap, the MEMEFI token is now live, and it is ranked number 2,815 on coin market cap right here, with a price at 0.000624. that is 20624. And if you look at the market cap, is 62 million dollar market capitalization. Remember, I told you don't expect anything above 100 million market cap, because we've been seeing most Web3 projects do between $30 million and $100 million market capitalization. And I believe that MEMEFI will not be an exception. That is why we are seeing this 62. So this is very, very accurate within my prediction. And if you look at the total supply, 10 billion, max supply, 10 billion, and the circulating supply, which is self-reporting circulating supply that is not verified yet, they said 10 billion as well. So if 10 billion circulating supply equal total supply and max supply, it means that this token might probably do a little bit more in the future. And that is why I personally put in 250K for investment so that I can get the token at a very lower price or much quantity from airdrop, and then I hold it in the next 6 months. That is my plan. And this is very important. Remember, I don't advise people putting money in airdrop, especially when you know that that money is at risk. The most important thing right here is the market capitalization, which is $62.28 million, and also the total supply equal max supply equal self-reporting circulating supply. All of this is very important. So if everything is in circulation, that means this token have a lot capacity of moving back to 0.01. This is my personal opinion. And this will now bring us back to price prediction. If you notice from this very price chart, which is what is on TradingView right now, you discover that this token was listed at this very point of 0.0030. Okay, remember, if you are watching video on this channel consistently, I was looking at the market get this listing at 0.04. Okay, 204 and to 0.01, and this was within the range I was expecting this token to get that listing, and that is exactly what happened. Market get listing at 0.0003, which is not far from 0.004, and begin to move all the way to 0.008, and we see this spike right here, which nobody can catch in the market, okay, except the owner of exchanges. Now, if you look at this very spike, market spike all the way from this very price, where was the initial listing price, which is 0.003, and up to this very price level of 0.018, right at this very point. And then from there, crash all the way back to the downside. That means you can only sell within this very zone, okay, of 0.207 and this very zone of 0.206, or say within this very area. That is only when you can sell or catch the liquidity around this very area. And right now, from what you're seeing on the chart, I believe market is going to move upward, and that is very, very important. This is my own personal opinion from what I'm seeing on chain right now, and from what the MEMEFI team is doing with staking and also launch pool on other platforms and some stuff like that. Markets have capacity of moving all the way to the upside, and this is what I am personally expecting right now. I am on the 1 hour chart, MEMEFI USDT. From this very price analysis, I want to look at this very price level where the market dropped into of 0.006. Okay, this is the lowest low after the listing price, and this lowest low is what we need to pay attention to. I've talked about this before, because if market drop below this lowest low, then I'm expecting the market to come down, which is my worst case scenario for MEMEFI, because we are already in the bull market. So the worst case scenario for MEMEFI should be 0.001, 0.201. Okay, so at this very point, 0.201, at this very area, is what I am expecting the worst case drop. That means if market break out of this very level of important support and come back all the way to the downside, the worst case scenario is 0.201. That is what I'm expecting within this very area. However, market have capacity of dropping a little bit and then begin to move all the way to the upside. And that is what you need to pay attention to right now. What I am also looking at is this very level of important resistance. So if you look at this level of resistance, it is covered that after the market drop all the way from this very area to the downside and then begin to have this significant movement upward, you see that this very area market come back down. So if we can break this level of important resistance right at this very point, then that means market have capacity of doing 0.1 again in the near future. That is maybe in the next coming days or weeks. So these are the two most critical area on the chart that you must pay attention to right now. A breakout on this level of important support is going to bring the market back down. And my worst case scenario, since we are in the bull market, is 0.201. And if markets break out on this very level of important resistance, expect the market to rise into 0.01 for one MEMEFI. And this is very important right now for all of us that want to hold this token in the next 3 to 6 months. So in the heat of the bull market, will this token go upward? I believe yes, okay, in my opinion. Why? Because if you look at what MEMEFI is doing right now in the past 12 hours or so, it is called that there is no aggressive drop after this drop that will happen most time with newly listed token. And right now we have seen stability within this very zone. And what that means is this token have capacity of moving upward than dumping all the way to the downside. This is my personal opinion and what I am looking at right now. So if you are holding in the next 3 to 6 months, which personally I would do, then pay attention to market moving upward. Pay attention to market breaking here, because I believe market have capacity of hitting the 0.01 mark and even more in the heat of the bull market. This is my expectation right now for the MEMEFI token. Is not live. And what do you think about this token? Do you think this market can go all the way to 0.01, 0.02 and 0.05 in the heat of the bull market? Comment below in the comment section of this very video. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Join our Telegram channel with a link in the description and also in the pinned comment for more crypto news, technical analysis, and investing strategies. Thanks for watching.